So I have a collective haul to share with you guys today. So I went to Family Dollar and to the Purple 99. So I'm going to start with Family Dollar. They are like co-owned with Dollar Tree. I don't know which one owns which, but you can find some of the same items in there. And I was so surprised to find these ornaments for $1.25. And then when I got to the cash register, I had only gotten 2 originally. And then the girl told me that they were actually on sale of buy 2, get 1 free or something like that. Or buy 3 and get them for $1 instead of $1.25. I don't remember what it was. So I ended up getting a couple of ornaments that I'm going to share with you guys. And then they have different towels there that I think are really, really nice as well. So I got this one. And I got this gold ornament right here that I thought was really nice. Some of them were missing this little dangly piece down here. So if you find this, just make sure that yours has that. So yeah, these all came out for $1. And then I have one more in here. Here is my last one. I got a little Rudolph. I just thought it was really cute. So I can't wait to put these up on my tree. I still haven't put my tree up. That's the plan for the next couple of days. I really want to have it up before I leave, and I leave in like 5 days. So yeah, I'm trying to really I'm more focused on like packing and getting the house clean, because I don't want to come back to like a disorganized house, you know, and I kind of just have stuff everywhere because I'm trying to like rush to get everything done. So yeah, hopefully I'll have time to put my tree up. I think I will. I got some decorations out, but not a tree. And then if anybody wants a real tree this year, so it's just complicated. So this is also from Family Dollar, $1.25. Look at how cute this towel is. I'm telling you, so cute. I love it. So I got 2 of those. And then there was this like gold and gray and white one that it's not my favorite, but it was definitely different. So I grabbed one of those. And then I grabbed 2 of these because they are little Nomi homies here, and they are different than the Dollar Tree ones. And I gotta say, these feel nicer than the Dollar Tree ones. So I'm gonna have to put these away, and I'm gonna have my mom, she cuts them in half and then she crochets the top so we can have a handle to hang it on our kitchen stove. So I'm gonna have her cut these up. So basically 1 towel gives us 2 towels because she cuts it in half. So I love that. So I love that they're doing like more, you know, like colored gnomes, you know. So we're getting some like chocolate gnomes up in here, even with like our little Santa right here. Like, I love it. So that was Family Dollar, and that's all that oh no, I got one more item from there. So I did get this white tree. I wish it was in green, but they only had white. So I grabbed it because, like I said, I was kind of worried about not being able to get a tree up for Sunny in time. And I wanted something that he can have in his room. Oh, look, right here it says batteries not included. I was going to try to turn it on for you guys, but I guess I can't. So there is a little spot down here to put your batteries in. And then there is a little switch. With these also, just make sure that it actually has the little bottom piece, because some of them were missing. But yeah, they only had white. I would have preferred a green, but that's okay. As long as Sunny Boy has something in his room before we leave, just makes me feel better. I'm going to go to Trader Joe's. I'm not sure if that's somewhere everybody will have access to. But they have really, really cute trees that come out at this time, and they call it the Grinch tree. So it actually like comes up, and then the way that they put like the ribbon, it makes it dangle, and then there's just like one little ornament hanging off. I got him that one last year, and we kept it alive for most of the year, and then it just died, and I don't know. I guess I didn't water it enough, though I thought I was, but yeah, it just died out. So I'll probably get him one of those. I think they're like $10, probably less. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there and see what I can find. Just something mini for his room, so he has something before we go. And then let me show you what I picked up over at the Purple 99, the 99-cent only store. I found this really cute little small stocking. It's Mickey Mouse. Not really a whole lot's gonna fit in here, guys. It's very small. This one was $1.29, so it says it's 8 inches, but the opening is not very big. Like, this would be good for maybe a couple candies. Like, I can't even put my whole hand in here, so yeah, not very big, but it's more like a decorative piece than like really like a stocking, because like our stockings we fill with like candies and little gifts. So I got that Mickey one. And then I got Sunny. Sunny Boy is obsessed with Piggy. So it's just like a little phone stand. So I'm going to wrap that up and give to him for Christmas. And then I found some more pins there. And these are little sequence ones. So I thought these were really fun. So they had Santa. They had a gingerbread guy. Here's the other side of the Santa hat. I wonder if it's meant to be like that. I don't know. Because this side's like normal. So I got those two. They had a little stocking here. So I got that one. These were 99 cents. And then I got me a dino. I love dinosaurs. So I had to get this little ornament right here. And then look, like his little spots are in little sequins. So I thought that was really, really cute. I wish I had more red on the hat, so I'll probably just do that myself and then maybe add like a little pom-pom up here. And I wish he was like more green because he's like kind of looks faded, but that's okay. And that was $1.29. Then for $1.99, I just thought this was so stinking cute. Like, look at Santa's little face. He needs more of a beard though, so I'm going to have to see if I have any ribbon in my stash that I could go ahead and give him more of a beard because he needs more hair. But I just thought this was so cute. Like, look, it's got the little tree, the little candy cane. Then up here, he's got a little bell. I just thought this was so cute. I'm like, I definitely need to take him home. Oh, here's another little dino. Like, look at his little teethies. These are so cute. These are a plastic. And then, again, like on his hat, it's not the best glitter job. So I'm going to have to fix that. This is going to have to wait until I get back home, though. And this one was $1.29 also. Oh, like, here's another one of those pins. So there's a little Christmas tree. And then, oh, I got this little Nomi. He has a little bell on his hat. But look, he has little antlers. I just thought this one was super, super cute as well. Love him. He was 99 cents, you guys. Isn't he so cute? I want to make, like, his nose red. So I might add, like, a little, like, pom-pom or something. And then I think, like, some little, like, snowflakes. I have some snowflake, like, rhinestones. I think would be really cute also. Then I'm going to glue his little antler down. It's glued down on this side and this one's not. So I'm going to fix that. I want it to, like, stay. So love him. My dad just needed a rubber band. So that's just, like, a miscellaneous item. Oh, this one I thought was really cute. I love this saying. It's the most wonderful time of year. So I love this. I definitely want to decorate it more, but I just don't have time before I leave. This one was only 99 cents. So I'm going to take it as is with me on my cruise. I love decorating our hotel and our cruise cabin when we go on vacation. So I'm definitely going to take this one with me. Normally, I would have like painted it, maybe add some like fake snow, maybe add like a little Christmas tree right here, but I just don't think I'm going to have the time. So I'm going to take it as is. And then like those little rhinestone snowflakes I think would be really cute on here also. So that's an idea to buy that and go ahead and alter that. I mean, if I have time, I'll definitely do it and I'll do it on camera so I can show you guys. And then these guys I just thought were too cute. Like, look at their little face and their big old carrot nose. I just thought they were adorable. So I was like, yes, get into my cart. Now, I don't use these as picks. Like, I don't know what to do with them. I probably would glue this to like a jar, you know, like to the lid of a jar. I think would be really cute. But yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to do with them yet. But they're just so cute that I just had to take them. I just could not leave them there because I just thought they were absolutely adorable. So that's everything that I got so far for today. I am going to be going to another 99-cent only store just because I like going to see what they have. Like, they've really impressed me this year a lot more than Dollar Tree has. So I'm definitely going to go check them out. And then like even like the Family Dollar, I want to go back to that store again once they restock some more stuff because like this for $5 is a really good deal. Like this is way more expensive at Hobby Lobby. I think like the same size is probably like $20 there. And Hobby Lobby is only 50% off right now. So that would still be like $10 for that tree. So I'm definitely going to head back there. All of the fall at Hobby Lobby is 90% off, all the tableware and all the fall items. So I want to go back there because now that that section should be cleared out because that happened the day after Thanksgiving and I haven't been back since. I want to go and see what does the store look like now? Like what did they fill in that section? Because in my store, there's still like 3 aisles of fall decor stuff. So now that it's empty, what's in there? You know, is it like spring shop stuff? Is it that they're pulling down more Christmas stuff? Like, I just need to go and know. So maybe tomorrow, hopefully, I'll have time, and then I'll do a shop with me video if possible. So yeah, stay tuned. I gotta do a lot of stuff before I leave, so just bear with me. I'm gonna try to even pre-record videos so that while I'm gone, there's still stuff for you guys to watch. So we'll see. My number one priority is to get packed and get ready, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.